Finally, this book is ready. Bistani, written by Abdulqahar Abdulghaffar. That's me. And we open. Bistani language was created in 2022 as the national language of Bistani. Bistani is a micronation that I, Abdulqahar Abdulghaffar, created with my classmate Muhammad Sadiq, but he has left Tashkent, where I live. Then I wanted to make a language. We've already created an alphabet, but that wasn't enough. Bistani was the first official name of a country. It means we, country. So it means our country. Bistanian grammar is easy. It's almost same with Uzbek. All words were taken from Uzbek, but syllables will stay in another order. Ko'p, many, book, maktab, school, tabmak, sayyora, planet, yorassa, shifoxona, hospital, foxonashi. Bistanian has their own alphabet. It was created by me and Muhammad Sadiq. And here's the alphabet of Bistanian. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z, O, R, Sh, Ch. And it's also a sign, and it doesn't have any meanings. Bistanian has numbers too. Rib, ki, chu, trot, ship, tiol, tiet, gizak, qizdoq, no. And this is the normal text in Bistanian. Gunbu, chako, siqis, tagayer, ki, tram, nam, misne, lete, lamanbe. And it also has another side, but it's empty. But I will complete this book. I don't know why.